Your iPhone speaker is not working? Here's how to fix it. Let's start adjusting volume settings. Swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center, and look for the volume slider and increase the volume by dragging. Now check whether the sound is audible or not. If it is not working, then check Bluetooth connections. First, open the control center by swiping down. Then, tap on the connectivity folder. Here, check whether any Bluetooth devices are connected or not. If there are any connected devices, disconnect them and check whether the sound is audible or not. If it's not working, then force restart your device. Press and release the volume up. Press and release the volume down. Now press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Then release the side buttons and your phone will restart shortly. After restarting the device, check whether the sound is working or not. If it is not working, then update iOS. For this, go to the Settings app on your iPhone. Then, scroll down and click on General. Now, look for the option Software Update and click on it. If any update is available, then update the software. Make sure you have installed the latest iOS version on your device. Reset all settings. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down and tap on General. Now scroll down to find the Transfer or Reset iPhone option and click on it. Next, at the bottom, click on Reset. Here, a few options will pop up. Tap on Reset All Settings. Now, a pop-up will appear, and click on Reset All Settings to confirm. This won't delete your personal data. After resetting, check whether the sound is working or not. Still, if it is not working, then try. Contact the Apple Store. After trying all these and still not solving the issue, then it may be a hardware issue. Go to the nearby authorized Apple Store to fix the issue.